How to master error analysis for ninth grade tests. Are you a ninth grader looking to improve your test scores? Mastering error analysis is a great way to turn mistakes into learning moments. Let's break down how you can do this effectively. First, let's clarify what error analysis is. It involves reviewing your incorrect answers on tests or practice exams to understand why you made those mistakes. Mistakes generally fall into two categories: content errors and process errors. Content errors are gaps in your subject knowledge, while process errors relate to test-taking skills like time management or misreading questions. To start mastering error analysis, take practice tests regularly. These tests should mimic the format and content of your actual ninth grade exams. This practice helps you become familiar with the types of questions you will encounter and the pacing required. Once you finish a test, review each question you got wrong. Determine if the mistake was due to not understanding the material, which is a content error, or if it was related to how you approach the question, which is a process error. Next, categorize your errors. Create a simple list or chart dividing your mistakes into content and process categories. For instance, if you missed a math problem because you forgot a formula, that's a content error. If you ran out of time before answering, that's a process error. Now analyze the cause of each error. For content errors, pinpoint the specific topic or concept you need to review. For process errors, reflect on what test-taking skill needs improvement. This could be time management, careful reading, or staying focused during the test. Once you identify the errors, correct them. Rewrite the problems you got wrong and solve them correctly. This practice reinforces the right methods and helps you avoid repeating the same mistakes. Collaborative error analysis can also be beneficial. Work with classmates to discuss errors. You can exchange problems with intentional mistakes and challenge each other to find and explain the errors. This group discussion promotes strategic thinking and helps you see different approaches to solving problems. After analyzing your errors, develop a study plan based on your findings. Use your error categories to guide your study sessions. Spend more time on weak content areas and practice test-taking strategies that address your process errors. Lastly, practice self-reflection and track your progress. Keep a journal or log of your errors and improvements over time. This habit encourages self-awareness and helps you build confidence as you see your test results improve. By mastering error analysis, you can transform mistakes into learning opportunities. This approach not only improves your content knowledge but also strengthens your test-taking skills. With consistent practice and reflection, you will see better performance and greater confidence throughout your freshman year.